Mariam Ideal International School, for the first time since its establishment, held a graduation ceremony for its people. The school is ideal for preschool education and can boast of best facility for your children to mold them for the future. The headmistress gave a highlight of the ceremony as well as details of the school.
We had our first ever graduation ceremony with both our class 1 students and our KG2 students. Sadly enough, last year was the year we opened the school, so we didn't have the means to give them a grand celebration as they deserved. So this year we are giving both classes the best of the best. So Mariam Ideal International School is a new school that was established on the 11th of January 2022 on the basis of faith, community, and humanity. We provide both Islamic and secular education here with the child's well-being in mind. Admission is ongoing. Anytime at all, you can walk in or call our numbers, our WhatsApp. You can bring your words. Right now, we are having from crèche to class 2.
The proprietors, Hajia Mariam Kabiru, took the opportunity to express her gratitude to the staff and management of the school.
Mariam Ideal International School, kar wani ya koma baya don school nan. Waɗanda suka zo nan yau ma sun ga kaman teachers na da na doke su yi kokari. Yaran nan yanda muka gansu, mu ga kaman sun yi kokari fa ya fito ga teachers nan. Yasa teachers nan kuma na gaida su kwarai sun yi abin da ba taba yi ba.
The assembly member for the community also had this to say.
It's one of the many graduations within my electoral area. It's one of a kind, considering the fact that I've seen quite a number of dramas, quite a number of certain interludes that ordinarily I didn't see it in other places. So I'll say that it was quite fantastic. The pupils were very good, and you could see from the faces of the parents, they were so very happy and so appreciative of what the teachers have been able to impact on the children. I think it is something we should appreciate for the fact that when you balance the coin, you have the Christians also having like Pentecost schools, having Presbyterian, Savior Presby. We have Savior Presby School here. There are quite a number of them. So it is only fair that we Muslims too, we become up and doing to have such schools so that we can inculcate certain cultures that we want to be part of our children. Now, I want to draw some examples. There was a time we keep hearing that there is a secondary school that they don't allow veiling and then those kind of things. And then you are asked to maybe go to what's the name? The prayer session, or is it a fellowship? Yes. Instances like that, Muslims ordinarily you wouldn't want that, but because that is the code and ethics of that school, that is the rules and regulations, there is nothing you can do. So it is time some of us too, as Muslims, we begin to do something like this. We begin to have the basic ones. We begin to go into junior high schools. We begin to go into secondary schools, top-notch ones that can actually imbibe the culture of Islam in the children. So it therefore means that when the Christians also find themselves there, then they would have to do that. But unfortunately, or fortunately for us as Muslims, we don't toe that line. We give you the option whether you want to join or not to join. So for me, I subscribe to the fact that Muslims, we need to do this so that we get our children to be part of this kind of learning environments.
Mariam Ideal International School is located at Madina, UN. It's a school committed to molding and developing young children into better adults.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.